All right, now we can go ahead and do the same for the consumer. Go ahead and create the consumer.py file. I'm gonna copy from this because that's basically the same thing. All right, all of the imports until here. So import the libraries, uh, the root, also the here we're gonna change, but the login information. Okay, so now I'm gonna change this instead of having the import from the producer wrapper. I'll do the consumer wrapper and import Kafka consumer. I also don't need the time, but other than that, everything should be good. Okay, we do have the topic name. In this case, will need to be a list, right? That's what I have defined because we can subscribe to many lists. The broker is the same, and we also need a consumer group in this case, and I'll call it demo consumer. All right, now we can create the consumer. So our consumer will be Kafka consumer, and what else we have defined? The bootstrap server, well, broker. We need to have the group ID, which is our consumer group. We need to auto offset reset to be earliest, and we can do enable auto commit to be true. Cool. So we know that the group ID is required for the offset tracking. All right. The auto offset, just we're telling that we're going to start from the beginning. Okay. And the enable auto commit, we're saying that we're going to automatically store the offsets at every few seconds. All right. So we do have our consumer created. We can subscribe now to the topics that I have defined, topic name. Okay. And we can log this information. Successfully subscribed to topics. Maybe we have more than one topic name. And let's start consuming the messages from it, because we'll have a consumer consume messages. Okay, this will be going to be continuous, just like we have defined. So I'm gonna cd into this module, and I'm gonna run this consumer. It will probably, not probably, but it will start to consuming we got an error here. What did we miss? Localhost, demo topic, earliest. Let me try to open the producer. Okay, so we're really getting an error. Let me troubleshoot this and get back to you.